Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notifications of your server settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click here on this here. Now here you'll find notifications, and that's it. As you see, you can here manage your notification settings, and that's how to find notification settings on your account on your server settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.